Gonna stop over. So this is our field trip in Batangas. So guys, hello. So yeah, so we're there. There are bus stops and we have only 20 minutes. We have only 20 minutes and we have to very fast. I want to buy some food. Let's buy the. How can we buy? Let's buy in McDonald's. McDo tayo, tangik. Yun yung French fries mo.
McDo tayo. Meron ako pero wala ko na. I want to eat.
Aray ko, putang na to.
Super duper.
So we're breaking down. What's that? Yeah.
Starbucks to.
Bawal nga daw, di ba?
Bawal daw dyan! Bawal dyan! Bawal dyan! Ano ba? Di pala kami.
Ba't niyo ba kasi
Dito na kami dumaan.
Sino dyan lang? Potato corner tayo uli. I want to buy.
Ang mahal sa potato.
No, go na. Halika na uli. Pabayanan natin sila. Huwag na tayo.
Di McDo. Gusto yung McDo.
Oo nga, dito nga. Ano? Meron ka na bang money
Ikaw
ulit?
parang alam ko.
Ay, saan ba tayo dadaan?
Ano naniwala ka parking ano? Kanina lang niwala
so-
siya kay Nico. Si Nico? Nasaan?
Oh my God, I want to buy no! Chichirya! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, I wish I could buy. Wow, chips! Oh my God!
Video ka lang sa i-post mo.
Yaw nga. Uy, libre mo ko farina. Uy, sabi mo eh. Dish.
Wow.
Taba choice. Uy, bili tayo nun! Uy, ice cream. Oh my God.
Wala ice cream.
Uy.
Cheesy ako. Cheesy.
I want to buy Cheetos and Doritos, but
How much?
parang wala kasi. Mura, ay ano mo kasi siya? Uy, Uli, I want to buy a Master Donut.
This one. Ay, bawal pa lang. Hindi ko alam kano.
Fish?
Ice cream. Ano?
Uy, ice cream. Uy, come on, Uli. I can't decide. We only have 10 minutes.
I want 24.
Do you think we can afford that one?
Ambi! Ambi to!
Tingnan mo kasi sa price. Dun sa...
Kasi na may bawang ako naman. Ang dami tayo pinabansahan yung mood raffles.
Ulings. Uy, Uli, let's buy some soft drinks. Do you want?
Oh, may mga
Okay. So, I think that is priceless.
English pa.
Uy, putang na. Uy, we have to speak English because they don't understand. Uy, let's buy.
Can you?
Can you? Okay.
Tara na. I'm done.
Hi, teacher. Hello. Uy, Uli! Wala akong mabili. Hindi pa ako nakakabili.
Ashat!
Wow, lace. I want to buy. Oh my God, how much is this? Oh, I don't want to buy. It's so really priceless.
Magkano to?
Oh,
Hindi ko alam.
fuck this. Walang price. Uy, I want to buy.
Ganun ginagawa.
Bili ka na.
Yung mama ko pala
naiinis ako sa kanya. Ako ka na? Yeah, pero kanin lang. Ay! Uy, wala akong mabili uli. Uy, I want to buy na lang a french fries uli. We're in the cashier buy, so some soft drinks, blah 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 blah, ice creams, We're gonna order in McDonald's because we want to. Oh my God, I want to.
Sure, ako.
Bakit naiihi ka na?
Hindi, pagod ako.
Huli ba? Huwag ka muna tumae. I'm recording, you know. Na-record yun.
Yay!
Oh my God! Saan na yung McDo? Ala, ano to eh? So that's all guys, cause we're gonna go back to our bus.